What's up, guys? This is live video, pre-recorded, whatever. So, anyways, I said I wasn't gonna trade today, which I highly doubt. I don't think I will trade today, but still want to, call things out and, real price being shown. So yeah. Um, basically, remember I told you guys, oh, I expect to go higher and stuff like this. I do still expect to go higher. It's just like when news, like we have to wait. But right now, right, I kind of do expect to go higher still because, for example, we just swept this lows. And the 1 minute is not too much, but here, one, two, and at the same time, we have a fair value gap here. Now, we just came from touching the weekly gap, which let me show here. It looks better here. And the weekly gap, we came in touch here one, and then we had equal lows here. We came into the fair value gap. So I don't see why should we go lower. I don't see a bearish reason to go lower. We have equal lows here. Fair value gap just completely closed. So honestly, I'm just expecting to go higher. Um, this is the first fair value gap presented. We just close above it. But yeah, even though I could enter here right now. First of all, it's 9:41. It's not even the time for the macro, so it's still a time of manipulation. We could just right now crash down. But I'm explaining my POV since, like, this is what I'm seeing. Of course, we do have this fair value gap we need to see in the 5 minute if it's gonna hold or not. But I don't know. Like, I'm expecting to go higher, to be honest. Well, and market, my Wi-Fi is absolutely dog shit. Okay, there you go. So, anyways, 50 minute, we just came in, open low, like swept these lows. So yeah, I'm expecting us to still go higher. Like we have this highs, so I don't really see why should we be going lower. We are, in fact, we the only thing that could stop us here is that we are in a fair value gap in the daily, and we just claim again down, and we're respecting it. But the thing is, we already closed above this fair value gap before. So it's kind of like saying this fair value gap is not doesn't work anymore in part because it already was disrespected and it's supposed to be now an inverse and now it's not being an inverse neither because we disrespected going lower. So I don't know. I don't think this fair value gap counts anymore. And in the 1 minute we just waiting here to see what happens. Like I said, we have this 5 minute break of structure like this, so it could go lower, but I don't see reasons of why. Generally don't see why we should. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe I'm incorrect because at the end we do have this equal lows here. So we might want to, just go to those lows already. The only problem I see lately is just we are in a crazy accumulation in the higher time frame. Like we have been going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, middle. Like this means that market is getting ready for something and something big is going to happen in either way. We're going to go high, take out these highs, or we're going to go low, then take those highs. For now, right now, right, take this shit off. For now, all I see is just this. This is the first earlier presented. Here we are, respecting it. We could just see going higher, but like I'm saying, I am not interested in entering today, especially how market has been acting today and knowing the type of news we have. And yes, you can see we finally came down here, swept this lows again, same thing. And Q, we see the same thing, boom, boom. And Q, yes, we just swept this, right? Right, let's see. The low of this is 34, no, 6,034.50. No, so they're equal. So technically this is a SMT, small one. There's a SMT between here. So that's another thing to see, to mark out. And there you go. We are rejecting to the upside. We will probably take out this high, and yeah, I think that's it for today. We will probably keep going higher, no doubt. We'll take this highs and probably this highs, and probably with news we will just like pump all the way up. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing for now. Now we have to still recognize that we're still in this fair value gap, so let's not just say, oh yeah, long, long, long. But this is what I'm expecting. I just want to make sense to go lower. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. We just have to see. I'm having a bit of uncertainty, of course, because of what we have for today, the news and all of this, and maybe we want to sweep some people if you before going higher, or stuff like this. So of course, like that's why I'm showing so much uncertainty, and I cannot really tell exactly because I'm giving a maybe and a baby and a maybe all the time. So yeah, let's change color for this so this can be more clear. There. This is the weekly gap, just so you know. And yeah, let's just wait. Still seeing, still going higher. And honestly, this candle, hmm, this is 3 months, month, 5 minute. We would be in profit right now, not gonna lie. But this is stressful. Like you can see how many wicks we're making in each candle, and this is not looking good. And then, but we did left just now Asia lows, just like that. But yeah, let's see. And the reason why we were going lower, of course, we have a break of structure here. Let me just take all this shit off. We had the break of structure, fair value gap here. Boom, we came up. We first came into the weekly gap, then we went up, and then this is where we start rejecting off. So it kind of makes sense why the going lower. And at the same time, once we made this low, you see we have equal lows now, and we have this fair value gap in the back. So of course, like it makes sense for market to wanna open today, come down, take out these lows, and then start going higher. But yeah. And to be honest, like if we disrespect this, right? Like if we close in the 5 minute above this, then that would be pretty good too. But just seeing this candle, for example, is just looking really bad. And like I said, I cannot really enter in this time because this is 9:40. I wouldn't. Even though if market's going my way or something, I would not have entered this because this is 9:40, and I technically wait until at least 9:50. And if it doesn't move, then it doesn't move. Like, what can we do about it? 5 minute again. This is another fair rally gap here. So let's see how it acts. Right now we are having good rejection to the upside. So yeah, I expect at least to take this high. And then, I mean, if we exaggerate it this high too, and then if we exaggerate it this high too, and then we will be closer to the ultimate highs. But yeah, like I said, not interested in taking the trade. See how this acts here. To be honest, if I was in this trade, yeah, of course, like I would already have been break even. TN market over here. Stop loss will have been down here in this low. I already have closing it up to break even as soon as I saw this candle. Now let's see how it closes in the 5 minute. If it goes above, you can start seeing that as an inverse in the 5 minute. Which is pretty good. And I don't know why some people were saying bearish today. I just don't see the reason of why. Kind of understand this because of this low, but we need to understand at the same time we just came from the weekly gap. So it's most likely to want to go up. That we could have taken out the Asian low and then go higher. Yes, that could be, but Just by seeing that fairly gap and those equal lows, that's it. That's all I see. But yeah, now 5 minute just close above. We are using that as an inverse now. So that's pretty good. It's 950. Honestly, we could take a trade. We could. But wait, we will have to wait. Just see this, for example. Here, here. And then I will want to see it coming down at least to this. But for the way that it's looking, honestly, you just don't see it coming back. Let's look at ES. ES already ripping up and sweeping out those lows. Yeah, ES is not giving a fuck. But yeah, there you go. No trade second today, but it's okay. It's fine. It's not like it's the last time that we're gonna see market moving or something. But yeah, there you go. Just keep pulling up, 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 up. Very nice push, to be honest. Oh my god. Bro, I haven't eaten nothing today. It's 5:52. Bruh. Oh, there you go. No retracement, so can't do nothing about that one either. But I mean, we weren't wrong. We're not wrong about today. So that's pretty good. Like, if we were in the exact time, just by seeing this, we will have entered like here. Target this high will be the first target. I will have close contracts here and then probably just leave for the last here. And then just leave one contract here. That would be it. But in my opinion, we are done. Like, I don't see why we will come back. Maybe, maybe not. If we do, then we can probably just get in the retracement. We have the S&T here, blah, blah, blah. So here, boom, bam. Yeah, this is gone. It's just gone. Could have been a really good trade. There was hope. There was hope. Yes. By the way, yes, just not didn't give a flying fuck. Just directly up, bro. Nothing, nothing. I don't even think we had the first Ferrari presented in ES, like, except here. But that's it, yeah, it's just gone. Shit is ripping up. There you go. NQ. Let's see, let's see. If we can actually get a retracement, that would be so good. Like here, use this inverse, play around here, and then just keep going higher. 50-minute. Bum. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see, yes. Let's see. Now the problem is, the 5-minute, we just close inside of this. Now that's kind of sus. to enter. But yes, it's not going down though. And we're still not inside of here. So I don't know what to do about this. And one more thing, we did sweep highs here. And NQ did. Sorry, yes did. So this high, 748. 748. Yes, they took it out. So technically we have an SMT and the NQ. SMT from here to here. Trump says right now Powell probably won't cut today. He's done a poor job. Trump, if Fed would lower rates, we would buy debt for a lot less. US President Trump, if Fed would lower rates, we will buy debt for a lot less. Oh, hell no. Bro, I don't know what ICT be showing sometimes, bro. He's trading in the 30-second. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Hell no, bro. 30-second. You know, I'm seeing a 30-second candle being printed. Fuck no. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit's not giving no retracements. He said, fuck you, and ES, I bet you was just going even higher. No, ES is chilling now. Still, the difference is insane. We're almost up at these highs, and we are not even close to these highs. 4 hour. Ew. Look at that shit, bro. Yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Like, if we're not gonna go, if we don't at least try to get here, then I don't know, cooked. And if 5 minute doesn't close above this, cooked too. Completely cooked. And honestly, the change in state of delay will happen here. We'll technically be here in the 5 minute. Is this. So that's the CISD. Right there. So that's another thing to be watching. The CSD happened basically here. In the 5 minute, of course. Did I even put it? What the fuck? Ian. I'm hungry, bro. Very boring. Yeah, 5 minute ain't closing above that. That's not looking good. Push. Nope. She was the opposite. Hmm. Guys, one of my come down here. Now this is the problem because there was no change of state of delivery in a higher time frame, right? Because technically the change of state of delivery should. What the fuck? What the fuck? I mean, guessing is with this candle, not this one, but I do not know. But yeah, this 5 minute just kind of put me off. If we have done this retracement, like knowing that we close above here, then yeah, of course I take it. But no, this is just really off. Really off. But yes, they're going down because he's coming down here to like get into the change of state of delivery, and then NQ is just doing the same thing using this inverse. The thing is, ES is higher, right? We came in. Now we just touched this for rally gap. Now let's see what's NQ trying to do. Because not only this, we swept highs here and we swept this high and then completely reject off this. I am guessing that's someone who made profit in a short. Or am I tweaking? No, someone long. Okay. Yeah, he took the same thing I just explained. Same thing here. He took this inverse. See, that's the thing. Like some people will do good, and I understand, but it's just for me, it's just no. Like taking a trade, he basically took the trade right here at 9:40 when market just opened the first 10 minutes. And yes, maybe your bias is showing, like your strategy is showing, but entering in the market at this time, I feel so uncomfortable doing it even before. Simply because market just opened, bruh. Like, come on. So I don't know. Good for him. I still call it out too. Like, it's fine. But still, I would not take that. So yeah, here we go. Finally, 5 minute. We're closing above like this. There you go. We can actually enter and use this as the inverse right now. We will enter with two contracts only. I don't want to go crazy. If we go below this, like sorry, if we touch this, then cool. Because we just close above it. Give me one more retracement here and then do whatever you want. Yeah, because you see ES came down, touched this, boom, and now we're going higher. Now, please, can we get a retracement? Bro, say fuck you. I'm gonna delete this one. That's it. That's enough. I will keep now this one. And let's see. Hopefully, which I doubt, to be honest. Now we have another inverse here. We close above though. That's a change to state delivery there, even though it was here. Same shit. And now we should just be going to this high. You guys might be saying this guy is crazy because he's not taking a trade. He's not making money. Yes, I mean, it is what it is. But like I said, I was not planning to even trade today, but I'm still planning to analyze the market and at least call out things. And if it goes my way, that should be more than enough for you to be happy. Like you should be content with this, being able to call out the market and say where's it gonna go and then why and this, and you mark out and it's just doing what you said. So I'm completely satisfied with myself, even though I didn't trade, I didn't make money, but I didn't lose money neither. And I still was right. about what I said. So I am not sad or mad or anything, to be honest. Let's check yes. Yes, it's going for those highs. Here you go. We came, swept this highs, and now we're going low again. Who else make money? That's how I make money, you know. Yeah, basically he enter off this. Honestly, like we have this embers here. If we target something, right, we will target right here. Put our stop loss here and target this highs, I guess. Yeah. Let's see if we push a bit lower. Bombastics. All right, let's just send it. So here, all right. What the fuck is that? Damn, what we? Yo, what the fuck is this? I don't like this. I'm closing this shit. Why is it so heavy? The fuck? Like, this is way too heavy. And then TP is supposed to be, not, that's not even enough. What I'm going to do is simply go here, break even already. No, sorry, this low. You know what? No, I will sell one contract because this is just uncomfortable. Sell one, right? I need to switch that shit off. That's so annoying. And then basically put my stop loss here. This one. So that's $21 for loss. How the fuck do I deactivate that noise? Fuck out of here. And then just leave it for this. And that's it. The thing is, I wasn't thinking we will risk that much. It's just weird. Anyways. The only problem right now is already 10:10. Macro's done. Sorry, 10:11. So macro's gone. So let's see. Hopefully we can get some push or something. But yeah, here's the push. That's pretty good. I'm actually gonna de-risk here. I actually don't want to see us come back down. What happened here? There. Yes, for example, came in, boom, one more time to the early gap, 50% being respected. So yeah, it's just pushing up now. This is pretty good news. Now let's see it just go higher. There you go. Keep pushing. I'd like to see that. Really good. So yeah. We close above here, so I am expecting this to hold here. If it doesn't, it comes down, I generally don't care. I'm not losing money. Yes, it's very close to this high, so I'm expecting it just to already like push up and take it. I know I wasn't gonna. I knew I said I was gonna trade. Oh, there you go. Let's see this. Honestly, I'm gonna close here. Good trade. I know for a fact it should be going up there though. So honestly, let's just let it be. Let's just trust. Let's trust ourselves because we're not that far. Let's just trust what I just said. I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna keep it open so you guys can see it's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. Imagine it just pops down now. Don't do me dirty, bro. Come on. We all know you wanna go up. I hate when these wicks are made like this. Because it just tells me like it doesn't want to keep going up. But let's see, let's see, let's see. I don't think I'm wrong. Like I think it should go higher. Should get there. I'm not crazy or something. And when this type of candles are made like this, that kind of means that it just wants to go up. The other problem is that we already swept this high. So that's why I'm kind of wanting to close. But I don't know. I think we should go higher. What can we do right now since it's doing this? As soon as it closes, I will put my stop here. Let's see. Wait. All right, so this is how it closed, right? I'll put my stop here. If it stops me out, done. But I'm expecting it to just blow up. Up, 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 up. If it doesn't, then good, it's okay. Because yeah, yes, it's just now, look, the bodies are not going above. So that's not good news. All this is just, there you go. Okay, we're out. Well, not bad at all. Good trade for the day. I'm not really annoyed or something. Wasn't even planning to trade. So yeah, I still believe it's gonna go. Maybe I put my stop way too tight, and now it's just gonna go up where I was saying. There you go. That's crazy. Fuck. Anyways, let's just mark it out here. And that will be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And yeah, there we go. Come on. Alright, I'm not biased to keep waiting. You guys can see this by yourself all the time. Alright, thank you guys.